Ulcerative colitis, or UC, is an inflammatory bowel disease that affects the innermost lining of the colon and rectum. Inflammation from UC causes ulcers on the intestinal walls, leading to symptoms like abdominal pain, chronic diarrhea with blood, and even weight loss. In 2023, the prevalence of ulcerative colitis was estimated to be 5 million cases around the world, and the incidence is increasing worldwide. It's a chronic condition, meaning the disease may flare up and subside throughout a person's lifetime. Managing the inflammation is crucial to improving the quality of life. In October 2023, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration approved Etrasimod, marketed under the brand name Wils P, to treat moderately to severely active ulcerative colitis. So, how does Etrasimod work? In people with UC, the immune system mistakenly attacks the colon's lining, causing inflammation. Sphingosine 1-phosphate, or S1P signaling, is crucial for lymphocyte trafficking and inflammation. S1P, a lipid signaling molecule, has a higher concentration in the bloodstream and inflammation sites than lymph nodes, creating a gradient. Lymphocytes bearing S1P1 receptors migrate from lymphoid tissues into the circulation following this gradient to reach inflammation sites like the colon and ulcerative colitis. Etrasimod is a selective S1P receptor modulator. It binds to S1P1 receptors, causing receptor internalization and degradation, which prevents S1P detection. Hindered S1P signaling traps lymphocytes within the lymph nodes, limiting their migration into the circulation and consequently reducing their influx into the colon's lining. By curbing excessive immune response, Etrasimod decreases inflammation in ulcerative colitis. The U.S. FDA approved Etrasimod based on results from the Elevate UC trials, which assessed its effectiveness and safety in treating UC patients who had failed or were intolerant to previous therapies. In the UC52 trial, 27% of patients on Etrasimod achieved clinical remission after 3 months of taking the drug, compared to about 7% on placebo. After a year, the results were the same in the placebo group, while the Etrasimod group increased to 32% in remission. The Elevate UC12, also 3 months long, yielded similar results. 26% of patients on Etrasimod achieved clinical remission compared to 15% on placebo. Endoscopy showed less severe disease and higher mucosal healing in the Etrasimod group. Like all medications, Etrasimod does come with some potential side effects. The most common ones reported in clinical trials were things like headaches, nausea, and elevated liver tests, especially when starting the medication. More serious side effects are rare but can include an increased risk of infections since the immune system is being modulated. Etrasimod is an exciting step forward in the management of ulcerative colitis. It's offering new hope for people who need alternative options or who haven't had success with traditional therapies. While it's still early in its availability, the results so far are promising. As research progresses and more data is available, doctors may better understand how it can be used for improved outcomes. And that's it for today's pharmacology video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more pharmacology content.